Can pregnant women take creatine? This question is consequential to the video that I posted on creatine in children. So let's start with some background. In early gestation, about 90% of fetal creatine comes from the mother. A fetus doesn't have the machinery until later on to supply much of its own. This particular study from 2016 looked at fetal brain metabolism, scanning healthy pregnancies from about 18 weeks up to 40 weeks, and they saw that creatine levels in the fetal brain rise steadily through the second and third trimesters. That increase does track right alongside brain growth and oxygen demand. Fast forward to now, 2025, we were finally given the first human safety trial of creatine in pregnancy just a few months back. Pregnant women in their third trimester were given a standard 5-gram dose of creatine monohydrate, and they found no side effects. Then the researchers modeled what it would take to reach steady state creatine levels, since pregnancy is associated with a reduced pool of baseline creatine due to the volume of distribution, and about 5 grams 3 to 4 times per day for 3 days, which is basically a typical ergogenic and therapeutic dosing. That was enough to compensate and allow them to reach steady state creatine levels. And again, in this case, no negative side effects on maternal or fetal vital signs were found. So that was a short safety study, but can it be recommended for pregnant women to take routinely? Well, that answer is still being fleshed out, but there was also this 2019 review paper that surveyed 100 health professionals and doctors, and it concluded that creatine appears to be acceptable in pregnancy when guided by a healthcare professional. So again, I cannot be the one to make the recommendation. It is worth knowing that a reduction in creatine stores during pregnancy has been linked to low birth weight and preterm birth. So if you're pregnant and you want to take creatine, the best advice is to take the initiative to round up the available data presented here and other places, present your case to your trusted healthcare provider, and get their approval. That is my take.